Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Bob from the new movie Luck. So Bob is a cute little black cat, and before we get started, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know something that you would like to learn how to draw in the future. And if you've not already subscribed, I would love if you did. It'd be great to have you join our channel here. All right, so to get started drawing Bob, I'm going to start with a nose. I'm going to start with like a little upside down triangle for a nose, like that. And I'm going to come up a little bit on both sides, just a little line on both sides. And now we can do two great big circles. He's got really, really big eyes. So that's what these great big circles are going to be. Okay, so we've got one. Now let's do a circle inside that circle, like that. And now we're going to do another circle over here on the side, and then one here in the middle. All right, so now we're going to do another great big circle, the other eye. And that circle inside, and the one here, and then our last one. All right, so next let's give him a little smile. So it really is just like a cute little smile. So now let's do the face shape of the head. So we can do a little curve here on the top and come on down here on the sides and do a little bit of a cheek here. And then come here underneath the smile. And now, of course, he needs ears. So we're going to do two triangle-shaped ears. And a little triangle shape on the inside, for the inside of the ear. Like that. And we can give him some whiskers too, of course. And let's see, let's give him his collar. So we can kind of do a rectangle really, but the bottom is a little bit curved. And then we can do a little square right here in the middle. And now let's come on down with a little bit of a shoulder on both sides. And then bring this line down. And let's bring a line down right here. And this one can come on down as well. And we'll put another line right here. So now we've got two arms. And let's put a line right here on the side. And another one. And we can put a little bit of a curve right here for a little leg. Same right here on this side. And we can do a little tail. All right, so we've got our drawing done of Bob, and I'm going to get started with some coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our picture. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. Okay, everyone, goodbye.